crucifixion carrying the cross is celebrated yearly by the local and the tourists every third day of May.
Next is the Kadugatan Festival of the Municipality of Mercedes. That was the Fishing Bowl of Bicolandia, featuring the town's rich marine resources and is the joyous supplication for the continued prosperity of the fishermen. The festival recognizes Mother Nature for its gift of vast fishing resources, and it is a place where local and foreign tourists can buy fresh and fish and other seafoods. Fish prices and secretly set in the process called bulungan. This would allow the seller to give the banyera to the highest bidder.
Next is the Rahugan Festival of the town of Basud, which originated from the Bicolano word Rahog, which pertains to a bundle of coconut, the town's main agricultural product, which is a unique symbolism of unity and cooperation among each and every Basudeños.
And of course, we have here the Prenyasan Festival of the capital town of Daet that features the Formosa pineapple, known as the sweetest variety of pineapple in the land, which grows abundantly in the province.
Fifth, our featured festival is the Paruyan Festival of the Municipality of Talisay, the rice granary of Camarines Norte, held every first week of October in honor of their patron saint, Saint Francis of Assisi, as a way of thanksgiving of their abundant rice production of Paroy in Bicolano.
And lastly, Pabirik Festival from the jewelry backs of Bicolandia, the golden town of Paracale, which emphasizes the town's abundance of gold deposits and their veneration of our Our Lady of Candelaria, or Inay Kandi, and their beloved patron saint. Pabirik is the gold panning process in order to produce this magnificent mineral.
These colorful festivals will give you more reasons on why you should visit Camarines Norte and should be on your next bucket list. We don't want to keep you waiting, fellow Bicolanos. In behalf of the provincial government of Camarines Norte, under the leadership of Honorable Governor Ricardo Dong Padilla, Vice Governor Joseph Ascucha, Sangguniang Panlalawigan Board members, and the Camarines Norte Provincial Tourism Operations Office, we proudly bring you
Bantayog Festival! Come to Cam Norte! Go Cam Norte! Mabuhay! Fiesta Bicolandia!
Once again, contingent number 5, Camarines Norte!
Ikaw ba'y nalulungkot? Naiinip na ba ako?
Ikaw ba'y napapagod? Araw-gabi puro kayo.
Buhay mo ba'y walang saysay? Walang sigla, walang kulay?
Bawat araw ba'y pareho? Parang walang magbabago.
Naiinip na ba ako?
Ikaw ba'y napapagod? Araw-gabi, puro kayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, our contingent number 5, of course, our Bantayong Festival together with the colorful